Welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about the exciting leaks and rumors surrounding the upcoming iPad Mini 7. While Apple hasn't confirmed all the details yet, we've got a pretty good idea of what to expect from performance upgrades to design changes. Let's dive into what we know so far. Performance. The iPad Mini 7 is anticipated to receive a substantial upgrade in its processing power, potentially featuring either the A16 chip or the even more advanced M4 chip. Both chips are known for their high performance, but let's break down what each could mean for the iPad Mini 7 and how they will affect the device's capabilities. Display. The iPad Mini 7 is rumored to come with a larger display, potentially expanding to around 8.9 inches compared to the 8.3-inch screen on the previous model. This increase in size may seem small, but it makes a significant difference, especially for users who rely on their device for watching videos, playing games, or working on creative tasks. A larger display means more screen real estate for multitasking, whether you're editing documents, using split-screen functionality, or drawing with the Apple Pencil. For media consumption, it offers a more immersive experience, bringing content to life with greater detail and clarity. Resolution and color accuracy. The iPad Mini 7 is also expected to have a higher resolution display, which would result in sharper images and text. A bump in resolution typically means more pixels packed into the same space, so even though the screen is slightly bigger, the visuals will remain crisp and detailed. This improvement is especially beneficial when reading, watching high-definition content, or working with photos and videos where clarity is key. In addition to resolution, Apple may introduce enhancements in color accuracy. Better color accuracy ensures that the colors you see on the screen are true to life, making a difference for creative professionals who depend on precise color representation, such as graphic designers or photographers. With improved color accuracy, the iPad Mini 7 will likely offer more vivid colors, deeper blacks, and better contrast overall, resulting in more realistic and engaging visuals. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades is the inclusion of a 120Hz refresh rate. The current iPad Mini 6 operates at a 60Hz refresh rate, meaning the screen refreshes 60 times per second. The leap to 120Hz, also known as promotion technology in Apple's lineup, would double the number of screen refreshes per second. This results in smoother animations, quicker response times, and a more fluid overall experience. Design. One of the most significant design updates we expect in the iPad Mini 7 is the reduction of bezel size. Bezels are the borders around the screen, and in previous models, they were relatively thick. By shrinking these bezels, Apple can give users a larger screen without increasing the overall size of the device. This means you'll get more display area for watching videos, working, or playing games while still enjoying the compact form factor that the iPad Mini is known for. Other features. The iPad Mini 7 is rumored to have 8GB of RAM, double that of the previous model. This will make multitasking faster and smoother, allowing you to switch between apps without slowing down. It's especially useful for tasks like editing photos or videos, working with multiple documents, or using split-screen mode. Release date. We're expecting the iPad Mini 7 to launch in October 2024, following Apple's usual schedule. While this hasn't been confirmed yet, it lines up with their typical product releases, especially following the September iPhone event. In summary, the iPad Mini 7 looks to be a big step up from its predecessor, with a more powerful chip, larger display, thinner bezels, and more RAM. While we wait for official news from Apple, these leaks give us a lot to look forward to. What do you think of the iPad Mini 7? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.